up, guys? My name's Mike. I'm with Paul Davis of Broward and North Miami. We're gonna explain a little bit how this machine works. This is the Eliminator Mini. So this is a peroxide-based serum, and what it does is feeds into the system, and this, like I said, gets up all the organics out of stuff that's like way penetrated in porous materials, even non-porous materials, harder porous materials like concrete and wood and stuff. It feeds into the system, and then you come back here, you can see it uses an accelerator, which helps, exactly what it means. Accelerator accelerates it so that it pulls it up even faster, it does a better job. And this is just a waste bottle, so it builds pressure. As the two chemicals combine, it builds up pressure and it causes a chemical reaction. And when you're not using the hose, this actually collects the pressure, pushes out any waste that's in the hose and stuff. So that's how this thing works. When we're done using it, you got to flush it out with water. You can feed it through right here where the hose hooks up to, or what we do is take these two pieces off of the front and back bottle, put it in a bucket of water, and then continuously spray the hose, and that cleans out the system. This is the on button. You just flip it on and it turns on. This light turns green. You're good to go. As long as all the hoses are hooked up, this is secure tight. The pressure hose goes under here. This screws on. We plug it in right here. It has reset buttons just in case. And then we have the hose here with the nozzle already on it. It's not a lot of PSI coming out of there. It spreads it very even and nice. You get a really good coat. So works really good. So next time we're gonna bring this out to a new job. This is the first time we're using it, and we're gonna bring it out to more jobs, do a wider variety of different things, and see how it works on those jobs. So I look forward to it.